All right, so diving in, I guess we're going to do Apple first?
Yeah,
Sound
let's
good?
talk Apple first.
How did they do? Big numbers.
Big numbers. So revenue came in at $75.8 billion within guidance, but below analyst estimates. Earnings
Dylan, say it with a little respect. 75. I'm just kidding. It's fine.
Earnings clocked in at $3.28 per share, beating analyst expectations of $3.23 per share. Obviously, the third big number that most people are looking at when it comes to Apple's earnings are iPhone sales.
It's really the only number.
Yeah. Given that
anyway.
it's 2/3 of their revenue base, iPhone sales were 74.8 million units for the quarter, which was up 300,000 units over the previous year.
That's not a lot. I mean, I'm not looking at a percentage, but that's not a lot.
You're not used to seeing like increases of
Hundreds of thousands.
Yeah, increases
What?
of less than a million, right? And I think that was probably part of the problem, really. I just mentioned it's 2/3 of their revenue base.
300,000 is an apartment complex in China. Like,
yeah,
what is this?
Like a city even. And so, despite the guidance that they'd laid out in the previous quarter that had said that there would be segment growth, obviously investors were a little worried going into the report. There have been some kind of bearish signals from Apple suppliers, notably Taiwan Semiconductor. This is something actually we talked about when we did the IDC show a little while back. And so a lot of people were worried about what iPhone segment growth and just general revenue growth would look like. Those concerns, obviously, somewhat valid. The company did demonstrate growth, which you like to see. It was not up to the street's expectations. That's why you've seen some of the dip that you've seen in the market recently.
But Dylan, they beat on earnings per share estimates.
Yeah, and that's kind of perennially the Apple problem, right? They lay out really solid guidance that at least shows some sort of growth, except for this upcoming quarter, something we can get into. But the street always wants more from them.